Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and I'm going to show you how to run 2 WhatsApp accounts on your phone. At first you need to open the settings, and remember you don't need to log in, log out, log in, log out, log in, log out. You can just open the settings and scroll down to the advanced features. Now here you need to go straight to the dual messenger here, and now here in the available apps you should see WhatsApp. Enable it. I will enable it for Facebook. Here, as you can see, you should see here actually install a second copy of WhatsApp, and now you need to hit install. Now you need to wait a moment, and somewhere in the app drawer you need to see the normal Facebook and the copycat of the Facebook, the clone of it, where you can log into this second account. And actually it's that easy. Bye!